How to rebuild financially in a post-COVID economy. Firstly, embrace the lessons from the pandemic. It has been a harsh reminder of the importance of emergency funds. Start with a small savings goal and gradually build it up. Savings form the backbone of financial resilience. Next up, prioritize your debt. All debt is not the same. Understand the difference between high-interest debt and low-interest debt. Start by paying off high-interest debts first, as they cost you more the longer they linger. Budgeting is your best ally. A well-structured budget can keep your spending in check and help you allocate resources towards paying off your debts. Remember, a budget is not about limiting your spending. It's about making your money work more efficiently for you. You may also want to consider debt consolidation. If you're dealing with multiple loans, student loans, or credit cards, consolidating them all into one manageable monthly payment can reduce your stress and potentially lower your interest rates. But be careful, consolidation is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Embrace frugal living. Try and cut back on non-essential expenses and channel the savings you create towards your debt. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making mindful spending choices. Every little bit helps when it comes to reducing debt. Think about needs and not wants. Reach out for help if you need it. There are numerous financial counseling services available that can provide guidance and support. And a licensed insolvency trustee is another excellent option. It's okay to ask for help, as managing debt can be overwhelming, and there's no need for you to face it alone. And don't forget to invest in your future. Even while paying off debt, try to put even a small amount aside regularly for your retirement savings. It's a delicate balancing act, but the sooner you start saving for retirement, the better off you'll be when it arrives. In this post-COVID era, also consider diversifying your income. Look for side gigs or monetize a hobby into some additional income. A diversified income can provide a helpful cushion to pay off debt and accelerate your growth towards financial freedom. Stay positive and patient. Debt repayment is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate small victories along the way. Your financial well-being is a marathon, and every step you take towards paying off your debt is a step towards a financially healthy future. Lastly, educate yourself. Financial literacy can empower you to make better financial decisions. Use online resources, read books, or attend workshops. The more you know about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to handle financial challenges. Pandemic debt hangover can be overwhelming, but remember, it's not insurmountable. With determination, discipline, and a little help, you can rebound financially in this post-COVID era. Start immediately and steer your course towards financial resilience. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please click on like and subscribe so we can continue to create content for you. Thanks. And please also visit our website at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.